Hey guys, this is Chad down here with Mike's Offroad, and we're here to talk to you today about our 2012 Ford E450 School Bus Overland conversion project. So up front here we have a 2008 Ford Dana 60 Super Duty front axle. This uses a UJoint off-road fabrication conversion kit to make this axle near bolted. It's got Fox 2.0 Adventure Series shocks up front, 4 manual locking hubs, custom steering, and now we'll take a look at the back. So down to the rear here, this is the stock axle in the rear. It's got 2-inch spacers to space the dualies out to fit the 35 1250 Mickey Thompson tires. Fox 2.0 shocks as well in the rear with a set of Pro Comp traction bars. Alright, so now that we've told you a little bit about this project, let's jump in and take it for a rip.
If you want to get schooled in off-road performance, come on down to Mike's Off-Road.